These quick steps,
if you're tired of those constant
focus without missing notifications popping up on your phone and want a clean, distraction-free experience, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. Today I'm going to show you where you control the majority to disable the default notifications on Dropbox. So find and tap on the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear. Next, scroll through your settings menu until you locate apps. It might also say applications depending on your phone model, but it's typically found in the main list. Tap on apps to show all the apps installed on your device. Now, scroll through your app list until you find Dropbox. When you spot it, give it a tap to view its specific settings. Here, you'll find every option related to Dropbox on your device, including app permissions, storage, and, most importantly, notifications. On the Dropbox app info page, look for the section labeled Notifications. Tap on it to access a whole list of notification options available for Dropbox. Once inside the notification settings, you'll see a category called Notification Categories. This is crucial. Tap on Notification Categories to see a breakdown of all the types of notifications Dropbox can send. From here, you'll notice a toggle called Default. This is the main driver behind those basic Dropbox alerts that keep showing up. All you need to do now is switch off that toggle. Once it's off, Dropbox will stop sending those basic notifications. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the default notifications for Dropbox. Take a moment to make sure your changes are saved, then back out of the menus. Now, enjoy fewer interruptions and zero unnecessary alerts from Dropbox. If you ever change your mind, just follow these steps to turn the notifications back on. Thanks for watching.